Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. आज के वीडियो के लिए मैं एक्स्ट्रा एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज ये वाली जो कुर्तीज हैं ये इंस्टाग्राम वायरल है. आई एम टेलिंग यू. आई मीन लुक एट द बैक. इट इज सो क्यूट, hot, sexy, and just so trendy, to be honest. And this is from this particular brand called Nishorma, एंड आई फाउंड दिस ऑन अमेजोन. एंड सारे पीसेस ना मुझे बहुत ही मस्त डिस्काउंट पे मिले. सो वो बेस्ट पार्ट है. आई थिंक परफेक्ट टू पेयर with your jeans. This is the OG college girl outfit now, and I have ordered myself 7 kurtis from this brand. This is the first one that I'm wearing. Like, you'll get a proper try on, plus Amazon is having ultimate brand sale, so you're gonna get some more delicious discounts. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so the another kurta that we have is in this mustard yellow color, and काफी similar pattern hai the one that I'm wearing. Like, this is how it looks from the back. You can see it here. And the best part about kurtis is कि ये तुमको ऐसा zipper भी मिलता है इसमें to just wear it in a स्मूथ वे. और इसका मैंने जो साइज मंगवाया है दैट इज स्मॉल. यू कैन सी दैट. I am just thinking ki these are very normal prints, basic prints that you get in your ethnic wear, but the way they have designed their kurtis is just so youthful and girly and trendy. So that is why I think it has gone viral, and I'm not gonna lie, there is a reason to go viral. These are just so pretty. These kurtis are making me feel very pretty. So yeah, this is our second kurta, which has like a similar back pattern, and you can see the proper try on. This one is shorter. It's like a ethnic top lengthwise, and this is also, I think this is how their kurtis are designed from the back. This is their thing. I feel like USP, and I am all for it because it looks so cute. This one is like a short kurti top that you're getting, and it's gonna look like all these kurtis are gonna look pretty with oxidized silver jhumkas and bangles, and basically, like, heavy jewelry, which I am all up for. So you're gonna see some styling as well in the try on. But this is so cute, like with your formal pants also, they're gonna look really cute. I am loving it. This is our third kurta, and you can see the proper try on. This one is, I think, halter neck or backless. Let's see. Ye hai maroon top. This is again like a short kurti. Do you see the shape? Like, they have given it like a corset style shape. This is how it looks from the back, but it's made so beautifully. Like, the quality of the product that you're getting is really good. Like, तुमको उसके अंदर lining भी मिल रहा है, so it's not see through at all. So if I talk about the price point, I think they are worth it because the fabric that you're getting is really good. It's not your rayon or polyester fabric. It's actually really good. Like, this one is pure cotton, so totally worth the price. And this is gonna give you that main character, like Bollywood main character feels, I feel. Okay, we have 3 more left. Let's see this one. Okay, this is again is in the same pattern, the one that I'm wearing, but I think it's called length alag hai. Let's see. Yeah, the length is a little shorter. Nahi same hi hai. I got confused, but yeah, this is how the print is. Like, it's in black color, black brownish color, with like really pretty rose print going on, and इसमें से pinstripe वाली वो भी है थोड़ा pattern इसके. You can see how this one looks. I love how they have given it a shape as well, and this is also in size small. This can be your uniform, like you have a uniform, like you have an outfit but in like different colors, if you know what I mean. If you are like that delusional girly, you'll get that. But yeah, this is our fifth kurta. Then we have one in green. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I have been loving green color, especially in ethnic wear. Like, red and greens, like these colors are made for us, made for our Indian skin tone. and this is how it looks from the back. Again, the same pattern, but the print is different again. And this is how it looks. It has a little touch of red and yellow in its flowers, and it's just giving me very pretty vibes, and I can't wait to try this on and style it for you. But you let me know कि तुम्हारे को सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा कलर कौन सा लगा, because we have like 4 kurtis now in the same pattern. I'm confused between these two, but you let me know in the comments. Okay, so the last kurti that I have is this one. This is the picture of the model, and I was a little confused कि ये मैं order करूँ कि नहीं, because इसके reviews तो अच्छे नहीं थे, but then I saw it on their Instagram page and I liked it. So let's see how it looks. It can look nice. Okay, this is how it looks. Basically the pattern is कि ये जो हमारा bust area है ना, that is covered in lining, बाकी it's all see through. So this is how it is. Like, it has double layer on the bust area, but still I find it a little see through. But I think you can pair it with your black bra and you'll be good to go. But then again, for the price, I think this one is a little overpriced, but the fabric is just so pretty. Like, look at it. I think if they're charging high prices, that is because of how it's finished. Like, it's so beautifully finished. All of the kurtis have zippers so that it can fit you perfectly. And the fabric, I'm impressed with the fabric, I feel. But again, you let me know if this is worth the price or not. This is the price of the kurti. And let me know what viral product we should try next from Amazon. I would love to read your comments, and also let me know which one was your favorite kurti. And yes, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Just before you go, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and all the good things. And I'll see you in the next one.